Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of some ready-to-wear that I just got. So I bought some items from Balmain and they were on sale. So let me show you the items that I got. So I bought it straight from a boutique, local boutique here, and it comes in this wardrobe sleeve. And then so here is the first item that I'm gonna show you is this one. Okay, so this is a cropped sweater, I believe, and as you can see, the details are very cute. This is a size 34. Let's take a look. So it's a size 34 cardigan, and it retails for $1,990 US, but it was on sale, so it brought it down to $1,194. It's called a buttoned monogram mesh something. Okay, 100% of the viscose fibers in this garment come from sustainably managed forest. Okay, and I would assume this is the spare buttons or button. There you go. So my height is 5'2", so this is a great top up to my like belly button area, and I will wear this with high waist pants or long skirt or mini skirt. So it looks really cute. I could also fit, I usually wear a size 2, US size 2 in other clothes. I was wanting to wear to buy the 36 just for, more give, but the shoulder area is way too wide, like it's like right here. But this one, it fits perfectly here on my shoulder, so that's why I took the size 34. The other thing about the size 36, I like the length better because it gives more coverage on the waist, which I would prefer the length of that. It's just that the shoulder area is way too wide and it's pretty obvious. So this is very good. I'll take a 34 though, and then I can also use this all buttoned down or even open with a cami inside, and I can wear this as a cardigan on outside or on top of cute dresses. So that's the first one. Let's take a look at the material of this. So there you go. It says made in Italy, but then it says something about Paris on here. Woman cardigan made in Italy, and then 84% viscose and 60% polyester. And obviously this is just dry clean only. And there you go, guys. And this is the second one that I got. We're here. Of course, I have to get another color for more versatility, and I'm so excited to dress both of these up. I am gonna wear this with my green. Well, green is my favorite color. It just so happens I don't have any green bags, or yeah, still waiting for the perfect green bag. But I'm gonna wear this with my sambas in emerald green, and I think it'll look really cute. you know, I'm gonna dress this down by wearing my green sambas, and yeah, with some tattered wide leg jeans, high waist wide leg jeans. So it's also on sale, of course, size 34. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll hope to see you on my next one. Bye.